Guru Angad Dev Veterinary and Animal Science University is a public funded university made by the Act of Punjab. College of Dairy Science and Technology is one of the constituent college of GADVASU. It is also known as popularly GADVASU and Guru Angad Dev Veterinary and Animal Science University. College of Dairy Science and Technology was established in 2008, and since last few years GADVASU is being ranked number 1 by the ICR, that is Indian Council of Agriculture Research. College of Dairy Science and Technology is the only college in Punjab as well as in the adjoining states like Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal, Uttarakhand, which is providing a degree in the dairy sciences. So College of Dairy Science and Technology provide different kind of the courses, and today I am here to tell you about the academic programs being offered by the College of Dairy Science and Technology. College of Dairy Science and Technology has a flagship program which is called as the B.Tech Dairy Technology, which is of 4 years. Then other than that, we also have the master's program, as we have the 5 departments in the College of Dairy Science: Department of Dairy Technology, Department of Dairy Engineering, Department of Dairy Chemistry, Microbiology, Department of Dairy Economics and Business Management. In all these 5 departments, we offer the master's program as M.Tech Dairy Technology, M.Tech Dairy Engineering, M.Tech Dairy Chemistry, M.Tech Dairy Microbiology and MSc in Agriculture Economics specialization in animal husbandry. We also offer the doctorate, that is PhD programs in the 4 departments. Our B.Tech, which is our UG program, is a 4-year program and it is totally industrial oriented and job oriented program. Our students after the 4-year program got placed in different kinds of the companies, for example Verka, Amul, Mother Dairy, Nestle, and there are many lists. Other than these jobs, our students can also opt for the business enterprises and can invest in the startup and can start their own dairy business in this area. Our students can also go for the higher studies here in India as well as in the other parts of the country. Our university offers the facility of campus placement, and till now, since our establishment, most of our students are recruited in different kinds of the dairy and food businesses through the campus placements. Now, dear friends, I would like to tell you about the admission process of these different kinds of the programs. Our B.Tech Dairy program, which is a 4-year, for that you have to apply online. For that you have to visit www.gadvasu.in. Now, who are eligible for this program? The students who have done non-medical in the 10+2 are eligible for applying to the B.Tech Dairy Technology program. These students have to appear for the JEE exam, and we take into consideration the scores of the JEE main. And if after this some seats are vacant, then we will also consider the 10+2 merit. So that is the qualifying exam for the B.Tech Dairy Technology program. You have to apply online for this program, and for that you have to go to our website. Last date of application is 6th September 2021, and with the late fee it is 20th September 2021. For the master's program, for the admission we rely on the ICR PG test, and for the PhD it is qualifying degree plus interview, and the weightage for the qualifying examination is the 80% and for the interview is 20%. So my dear friends, as I have told you, our college is offering different academic programs which are totally job oriented and industry oriented. I think you must utilize this opportunity and share this video to the other groups so that maximum people can utilize this opportunity. Thank you.